Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we are back with the same topic, that is electronic configuration. So in my first video I have told you how to take out electronic configuration of the first 5 elements. And what is electronic configuration? So if you want to know about that, so please go on my first video, the first part of electronic configuration. So in this video I will be discussing about other examples and how to take out the electronic configuration of that examples. So without wasting our time, let's start. So you know what is electronic configuration? That is clear to you, and if you don't know, please see my previous video. So we will take the other example. In the first video I have already told you about hydrogen, how to take out electronic configuration of hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, all the first 5 elements. But in this video I will be discussing about other 5 elements. So starting from carbon. So how you will take out the electronic configuration of carbon? So what is the first, you have to see that what is the atomic number of carbon. So the atomic number of carbon is 6. Okay, the atomic number of carbon is 6. Now how to take out? I will first write the symbol of carbon, that is, what is the symbol of carbon? That is C. So I will write here C. Okay, then I will make one more circle, and in this the maximum shell that we can make in the first circle, that what is the number? That is 2. So I can make 2 shell in this. Okay, now what, after minusing 6 from 2, now also 4 shells are left. So how we will make that? We will make another circle like this, and I will make 4 dots in this, 4 shells, you can say, like this. It is clear? This is the electronic configuration of carbon. What is the electronic configuration of carbon? Electronic configuration of carbon is 2 and 4. 2, 4. 2 and 4. Don't think that it is 24. That is 2 and 4. In the first shell you will get 2 atoms, and then in the second shell you will get 4 atoms. Okay, so this is the carbon. Now coming on to the next one, that is nitrogen. So what is the atomic number of nitrogen? So atomic number of nitrogen is 7. What is the symbol of nitrogen? Symbol of nitrogen is N. So what I will do, first I will make a circle, and in that I will write the symbol of nitrogen, that is N. Then I will make another circle, in that the maximum number of atoms that we can make in a shell is 2. So I will make 2 shells. Okay, then I will make, then also 5 is left, 5 shells is left. 7 minus 2, 5. So we have to make 5 more. I will draw second shell, in that I will make 5 like this. Four and 5. So what will be the electronic configuration of nitrogen? It will be 2 and 5. This is the electronic configuration of nitrogen. Okay, this is clear. Now coming on to the second, that what is this? The second one is oxygen. Okay, so how you will take out the electronic configuration of oxygen? So first, what is the atomic number of oxygen? That is 8. Okay, now what is the symbol of oxygen? Symbol of oxygen is O. So first I will make circle, in that I will make write the symbol of oxygen, that is O. Okay, this is the symbol of oxygen. Don't think that it is a circle, it is symbol of oxygen. Then I will make another circle. In that I will, the maximum number of shells that we can make is 2, so I will make 2. Now 8 minus 2, that is 6, so we will make 6 atoms in this shell. So I will make like this. This is first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So what will be the electronic configuration of oxygen? It will be 2 and 6. 2 and 6. This will be the electronic configuration of oxygen. Okay. Now coming on to the next one, that is fluorine. So first, what is the atomic number of fluorine? The atomic number of fluorine is 9. What is the symbol of fluorine? Symbol of fluorine is F. F. Now I will make a circle. In that I will write the symbol of fluorine, that is F. Then I will make another circle. In that I will make 2 atoms. First one is here, second one is here. Okay, then I will make another circle, and in this I will make how many? 9 minus 2, that is 7. So 7 we will make, 7 atoms. The first one, this is second one, third one, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. This is how we can take out the electronic configuration of fluorine. And what is the electronic configuration of fluorine? It is 2 and 7. 2 and 7 is the electronic configuration of fluorine. Coming on to the next one and the last one, that is neon. So how you will take out the electronic configuration of neon? So first I have to see that what is the atomic number of neon, that is 10. So 10 is the atomic number of neon. What is the symbol of neon? That is Ne. Symbol of neon is Ne. I will first make a circle. In that I will write the symbol of neon, that is Ne. Then I will make another circle. In that I will make maximum number of atom, that is 2. I will make 2. Then 10 minus 2 gives out 8. So I will make 8 atoms in this circle. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. 8 atoms. Okay. Now what will be the electronic configuration of neon? It will be 2 and 8. This will be the electronic configuration of neon. So hope this session is fruitful to you and you love this. If you want to know more about electronic configuration, you can see my first video also, and in my next video I will be dealing about other elements and how to take out the electronic configuration of this element. So till then, goodbye and have a nice day. Thank you for watching.